How to make a business plan for your e-commerce startup. If you have decided that you want to quit your day job and start your very own e-commerce empire, that's really great. But before you become the next Jeff Bezos and definitely quit your job, it's worth spending some time to think about a business plan. In this video, we will dive into the key elements of an e-commerce business plan, which is very different than writing a traditional business plan. Hi everyone, this is MS Kumar, digital marketing trainer and founder of National Institute of Digital Marketing, Bangalore. Why you should create a business plan? We know that starting an e-commerce business is exciting and it can be tempting to jump right in without constructing a business plan. Taking the time to write a business plan might seem like a lot of work, but it can save you a lot of time and money in long run by better preparing you for challenges and opportunities that you'll face as a first time entrepreneur. It's exciting to start your e-commerce business. However, you want to be well prepared and not jump into anything without having a solid, foolproof e-commerce business plan in place. After all, you wouldn't jump out of a plane without a parachute. So why start a business without a safety device in place? Safety device is your business plan. A business plan is a brainstorming process that ensures your concepts and goals are realistic. This is more than just mental notes. True business plans take your ideas, questions, and concerns and put those in writing. As you start creating your business plan, you will soon understand that more than a single piece of a paper with handwritten details on it, it's a clear constructed format of how your business will be created and how it will operate and what you hope the future holds in terms of a successful e-commerce business. When you write your business plan, be sure to have your target audience in mind. Are you looking for investors or put a Kickstarter campaign in motion or use this as your descriptive platform? If so, make that your business plan contains everything the audience would want to know about your business and more. Many traditional funding solutions require a business plan in order to give you capital. When your business plan is completed, you should have achieved the following goals. Knowledge, a great sense of knowledge into the business aspects. Resources, the resources you are going to need to make your business successful, such as partners, money, employees, infrastructure, and more. Roadmap, have clear set goals to take you from the very beginning of your business and onwards. Viability, in other words, is your business practically possible or not? Now that you know why you should create a business plan, it's time to move on to how you create your business plan and get started putting your e-commerce business into motion.